The other cereal we currently have in our pantry is Honey Nut Cheerios, which is the #1 selling cereal in the world. Did y'all know that?
Did you make that up?
Oh, I saw something
Really?
I saw something on
made
the
that
Twitter
up.
feed today that
No.
said that. So
Okay.
I don't have that 100% for sure.
Right. I was about to say.
That's what the Twitter feed said.
Get back to us on that.
I don't cereal. I can eat cereal all day long. Frosted mini wheats. I can eat them.
Oh, yeah.
Morning,
They
lunch,
are good.
evening.
When I was pregnant, I craved cereal.
Did you?
Yeah, I ate a lot of cereal. I just bought the boys. The boys get all Best Choice private label cereal, so of course they're into Lucky Charms.
Oh, yeah.
I tried them
Really
with
good stuff.
Cheerios when they were little. We have that Cheerio book because our last name is Cherigatis. It's
Right.
like Cheerios.
Right.
So, but we got to try the Honey Nut Cheerios again.
No, in the U.S., not the world. In the U.S.
Okay.
Honey Nut Cheerios #1, Frosted Flakes #2, Honey Bunches of Oats #3.
I would like.
I thought it'd be Lucky Charms and
would
Cinnamon
too,
Toast
yeah.
Crunch.
Seven.
So say they're up there.
Yeah.
Man, I could talk about cereal all day
I know,
long.
it is good. I like it too.
I could also talk about tacos. Tacos are a big hit in my house. But before we get to this, Lucy, I have to tell you. So the chicken dish that you made last week, the chicken broccoli pasta that you made, lemon pasta. So we have lunch every Sunday at my grandmother's house. My whole family comes, and it's a thing after church that we do. We've done it for years. So this Sunday, my mom and I both made one of the pastas. Huge hit with my family.
Oh,
So
yay.
I told you, I knew it was going to be,
Yeah.
and I told you I was going to try it. I also know that Joe made it for his family too, and they also loved it. So
good.
if you missed last week's recipe, it is very good, and it's on the healthier side.
Yeah.
So definitely check that out. And we're continuing on with the healthy theme this week with these shrimp tacos.
I'm so glad y'all like that. It makes me feel so good. I love it when people try the recipes. Yeah, this week, I mean, everybody eats tacos, you know, maybe once a week or, you know, every 2 weeks
Love
or
them.
something like that. And so today I thought I would do a shrimp taco, and we're going to do a pineapple coleslaw to go on top, and then also a little sriracha yogurt sauce. So yeah, it's, you know, tacos, you know, are fairly healthy, but this one really is. So I thought we could kind of get started on our coleslaw first. So I just bought a bag of, you know, the shredded cabbage coleslaw mix. And so I'm just going to use about, of course you could shred up your own cabbage. I mean, whatever. This was just kind of a shortcut.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to use about 2 cups of that. And then I got a fresh pineapple, and I cut some of that up in just to little cubes. And then, you know, we have the rest to munch on.
Yeah.
So this is about half a cup, and then I'm gonna put in here half a cup of red bell pepper and just 1 green onion. And you can just chop it, you know, I like stuff kind of small. You can, whatever, you know, you feel like size-wise. And then I'm just gonna also put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and just a pinch of pepper. And then we just have a quick little dressing. We have, you know, I kind of like, a lot of coleslaws are creamy, and this one just has a simple little vinaigrette because our creaminess is going to come from our yogurt sauce. So I just decided to do a tablespoon of olive oil, and then we're going to do a tablespoon of honey.
Let me see.
I know, here's our honey.
Yep, I knew. So for those of you who may have missed, we've talked about their honey selection at Greer's several times. They have a local section where you can buy honey from right here on the Gulf Coast.
Yeah, it's so good. This one is Charlie's honey, and they're from Sims. And when you're in Greer's, not all of our stores have, but all in Mobile County, basically, look out for Charlie. He and his sweet, sweet wife deliver the honey to the stores. They, you know, they live out in Sims, and they are so sweet. He is such a character, and I just love running into them. They are a lot of fun, and when I see them in the stores, it's always a happy day for me. So, okay, and Anne, she gave me a baby gift for my new little sweet Elle. She's still wearing the bib that Anne gave her. Okay, so we're just going to pour this on, and then we're just going to toss it together, and then we're just going to set this aside, and you know, it'll be ready to go on top of our tacos.
And Lucy, I feel like that's really light too.
It is. It's so simple, and a lot of times, and coleslaw, it's kind of funny, you know, you're gonna think like, oh, I need more, but you don't need more. It just takes a little bit to cover it, and as it sits, it's gonna develop a lot of liquid. The water is going to kind of come out of all these veggies. So you just need a little bit, and after a few minutes it's going to have, you know, liquid at the bottom of the bowl. So yeah, it's really light, and coming into spring and summer, this would also just be a great side dish. I mean, you could just, you know, use the whole bag of coleslaw and do a little bit more pineapple and dressing, and you'd have, you know, a really good summertime, spring side.
Very good. I think I'm going to print this one out too. Lucy, you're just making me a hit in the kitchen. I love it. You can check out the recipes online. Any of the past recipes we've done, it's on the Greer's website and our website as well. We're going to continue on working on the shrimp tacos. I think it's going to be another one, Joe, we've got to try at our houses.